Today, we will discuss DigitalOcean and Firebase. DigitalOcean and Firebase are both cloud-based services for developers, yet they offer distinct functionalities. DigitalOcean provides infrastructure as a service or LaaS, delivering virtual servers and infrastructure for users seeking control. Firebase provides backend as a service or BaaS, supplying pre-built backend tools for quicker app development. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. DigitalOcean mainly delivers LaaS, which entails providing virtual servers or known as droplets, storage solutions, and networking infrastructure. It provides developers with considerable authority over their server environment, enabling them to set up and handle their infrastructure as required. It's perfect for developers needing flexibility and control regarding their server configuration. Offers basic infrastructure ideal for running personalized applications, websites, and databases. Provides enhanced oversight of infrastructure. Firebase is a BaaS platform that offers a collection of back-end tools and services designed to streamline the development of mobile and web applications. It provides functionalities such as real-time databases, authentication, hosting, and cloud functions, enabling developers to concentrate on front-end development. Firebase emphasizes delivering tools that accelerate app development, ideal for developing real-time applications, mobile applications, and web applications with interactive backends. All in all, DigitalOcean provides the building blocks like servers and storage for your infrastructure. Firebase provides ready-made backend services that simplify application development.